In this video, I want to take you through how to integrate ActiveCampaign with Thrive Architect. Hi all, my name is Richard. This is the School of Nomads. You can find me at theschoolofnomads.com. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and we'll tell you about any new videos that we release. And if you find this video useful, please give it a like and leave me a comment below if you have any questions. So let's get started and jump straight over to my website. So here I am over on my WordPress dashboard. If you go to the left hand side menu and go to your Thrive dashboard, scroll down and then you find the APIs and connections. Hit Manage Connections. And then I want to add a new connection, so hit the Add New Connection, select the app that you want to connect to, so in this case is ActiveCampaign, and then we need to go and find the API URL and the API key. So we're going to jump over to ActiveCampaign and I'll show you how to find them. So I'm over in ActiveCampaign. What you need to do is go over to the left hand menu and hit Settings, hit Developer, and then on the Developer screen you'll see here the URL and then the key. So all we need to do is copy and paste two pieces of information over to the boxes here. Hit connect and that's it. The ActiveCampaign connection is ready. So I'll jump over to a page I've been building and I'll show you how to link that page then to your autoresponder. So here's a page I've been building. Scroll down to where your contact form is, hit the contact form anywhere around this area, and then on the left hand side a menu will appear. At the top of the menu you've got contact form, connect form to service. In this case I want to connect it to the ActiveCampaign autoresponder. So the next step is to connect your lists within ActiveCampaign to your contact form. So on here, this box here, this drop down will give you the list that you've got in ActiveCampaign, and you can then tell it which one you want to connect. If you don't see anything, just hit reload lists here and it'll reload all of your current lists. In this case I put demo here, so that list is now going to be connected to my contact form. I can use tags here if I want to be able to divide my list within ActiveCampaign under various tags. If I've got different pages that they're likely to go and visit, I can use a tag here. So you can just write something like sales, whatever, however you want to tag it. Hit continue here. And then this helps you design your form. So in my form at the moment, I'm going to collect the email address and just their name. If you want to add a new field, you can add one here. If you want to take one away, you just press this delete here and you'll take one away. So this helps you create that form. So you have a number of options. You can just reload the page once they've opted in. You can redirect them to a custom URL, so if you have an offer or if you have other information you want to share with them once they've opted in, you can put the URL of that information within this box here at the bottom and it will automatically send them there. Or you can show a success notification where you can actually write in this bottom here a message to them once they've opted in. So I'm just going to pick reload page in this case, and then once that's done you save the work, and then when anybody now opts into that contact form, they'll immediately be put onto my list and whatever action you've selected will happen automatically. So thank you for watching. I hope that was useful. If it was, give me a like. Any questions that you may have, put them in the comments below. You can contact me at any time at richard@schoolofnomads.com. And if you do want to learn how to make money online by making these short tutorial type videos, then go to the link in the description below and I'll give you more information. Have a great day.